Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter! Boom, 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 review stuff, and let me fix my sweater, my hoodie from the Meijer. Oh my God, it's from the Meijer, and it's Champion, don't be jealous. Or did I get this from the Target? I think I might have got this one at the Target. I love the Meijer, I love the Walmart, and I love the Target. Those are like my 3 favorite stores in the entire world. Okay, another one of my favorite stores, Sephora. I like Ulta too. I go back and forth. Like, sometimes I like Ulta more, sometimes I like Sephora more. I go back and forth, just depending. But somebody had sent me a picture of this. And this is the Sephora Favorites. Give me some, I need my readers on. Give me some balm lip kit ensemble. And you see here that it has several different things that you get with the kit. And I thought this would be absolutely fantastic, not absolutely fabulous, but I did love that show, to review on my channel because I love anything to do with lips. I have all this lip stuff in here. I have lip balms. I have Laneige lip masks. I have other lip masks. I have it all in here, okay? Exfoliating lip scrubs. I've got every kind of Lush lip scrubs. Jeffree Star. I have every Jeffree Star lip scrub that's ever been put out in the entire world. So anyway, I thought, everybody knows I'm the king of lips. It's a lip thing. Anyway, everybody knows I'm the king of lips because I'm constantly using lip balm and lip gloss. Lip balm and lip gloss are like 2 favorite things in the entire world. So I thought, I'm gonna order this, okay? Well, I have to tell you, this is $40. And I was like, this is kind of pricey. I was like, I don't know that I want to spend $40. But I did see that on here, you get a Pat McGrath. So I was talking to my friend about it. And she said, because I didn't see it up close when I was ordering it, and she said, well, it's not like a full-size Pat McGrath. And I said, oh, I thought it was, and I had already ordered it because this was $40. And then I was kind of like, oh, if it's not full-size, it's just like this little itty-bitty thing you can stick into that little pocket in your little pocket, if you know what I mean. Family-friendly, but she had that little pocket on top, okay, in your jeans. I was like, what's the point, right? But then when I got it, I looked on here, and there was actually, the Tarte Lip Balm Lipstick is a full size, as is the Pat McGrath. I love the Pat McGrath so much. And I've actually used Pat McGrath Lip Balm before. My friend used it, and so I bought it, and I just fell in love with it. Of course, why wouldn't you? It has lips on the side of it. So anyway, okay, let's get into this. Are you ready? Now, I have to tell you, I checked my facts as far as the cost of some of these things. I will tell you that when I was on Sephora, I also ordered another one. They have these Sephora Favorites that are like little kits that you can order and try different things. The other one, oh, maybe this was $29 and the other one was $40. I think that's what it was. This was $29 and the other one was $40. The other one is like all of their favorites for traveling. And since, boys and girls, I am going to Phoenix next weekend to visit. Oh my God, I've never met her before. I'm so nervous. I'll show up and I'll be like, hi. No, but anyway, I have a true crime book club, if you didn't know. It's right now called Peter's Book Club, but we're changing it and it's gonna be called something, probably just the True Crime Book Club. But we're also starting a true crime podcast. This is our 2nd year. Is this our 2nd year or is this our 3rd year? This is our 3rd year with the book club. And I feel like it's the 3rd year. Yeah, this is the 3rd year of the book club, which is crazy to me. We have 2,100 members. And we read 1 book a month. This month for February, we read Mindhunter by John Douglas. And it's what they modeled the series after on Netflix, which I'm getting ready to watch. And then next month, we are reading Butcher Baker, which is about a serial killer from Alaska. And but we don't do serial killers every month. We do all kinds of different stuff. For example, last April, we read Columbine by David Cullen for the anniversary of Columbine. We've read things about the mafia. We do it all over there, okay? It's true crime. So anyway, if you want to join it, I will go over to my BookTube channel. It's all underneath every single BookTube video I've ever done. My BookTube channel is called Peter Likes Books. Okay. So I'm meeting her next week, and I need, of course, travel beauty, don't you all? So I got on Sephora and I ordered this. That will be the video that I'm doing tomorrow. If I don't do it tomorrow, I'll do it Saturday, but I'm almost positive I'll do it tomorrow. And it's like all these travel things, it's very, very cool. Plus, it comes with a clear see-through travel thing that you can take on the plane. I don't know if I'm going to use those, or if I am going to just show them on the video, and then I'll take some of them and I'll use them in a video while I'm there. Oh my God, that's so smart. Always thinking, always thinking. Let me have a sip of my Polar Pop for a second, okay? I don't feel great today. This is Peter sick. Can you even imagine Peter not sick? Oh, you've seen him every other day. I woke up today and I was just like, I do not feel well today. My throat hurts, it's itchy, I've been coughing all day long. I don't know if I'm, it probably is because even in the snow, I wear these stupid Birkenstock sandals, okay? I don't know if I'm trying to get sick or if I'm sick or whatever, but when this video is done, I am going and I am getting some noodles and company because I am hungry. I already told my husband, I said I'm gonna finish Cheer because I've been watching Cheer. And then I think I'll do a review of Cheer over here. I gotta do some Netflix reviews over here. But anyway, let's get into this. Are you ready? Okay. How you guys doing today? Oh my God. Lip sampler. Spring's must-have lip balms. Find your perfect balm with these 5 lip products that provide rich hydration to create kiss-worthy lips. Oh my Lord, family friendly, Sephora. This set includes a mixture of full-size and deluxe size balms. What does deluxe mean? Is deluxe size what we call like a mini, but we don't call it that? Okay, so here's what it looks like when you look inside. Ah! Secrets of the world. Okay. I'm gonna line everything up in front of me so I'm real organized. I'm gonna line it up just like it is on the bag. Hold on. Oh my God. Okay, oh, this sugar one is really small. Do I have another sugar one to compare it to? Here. I don't think I do. I think I ran out. Oh no, it's in my lip balm because I have the lip exfoliator. It's downstairs in my bag. Okay. So the first thing that you get is, oh shoot. This peach lip balm. I don't have my glasses on, you guys. Who is this by? Doesn't even say. You guys hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. So this is by Too Faced, not my favorite cosmetics brand in the entire world, but it is what it is. So this is what you get. I will tell you one thing by Too Faced that I love, and well, that's getting into the drama channel side of things. But they do have this Hangover 3-in-1. Have you guys ever used this before? I mean, it literally, like, I wake up some mornings and I spray it. When this is gone, I probably will never buy it again. But because I just... It's Too Faced, you know what I mean? Okay, so anyway, go over to my drama channel, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this, I swear by this product so much. I mean, it really, really does work. And it totally, what I do is I use this, and then I use my, where is it at? Do I have it out? Because I used it earlier today. Well, I've been trying to use this watermelon spray, but it just does the same thing. Okay, the Say Yes to Cucumbers eye lotion, and then I use the Hangover Cure over it, and I put it on, and it's kind of a quick fix, actually, to doing the cup of coffee face mask, because it kind of just makes your face look alive and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, so this is the Peach Lip Balm by Too Faced Cosmetics. Here, we'll open this and see. It doesn't really want to open. How do you open it? Oh, there. Okay, so there it is. The container is rather difficult to open, I will say that. Let's try this. But you kind of have to really dig in to get any kind of lip balm going on it. Well, first of all, I don't like these kind of lip balms. I prefer like tubes like this. It's nice. I mean, it really is. The peach is nice. It's not like too strong. It's kind of subtle. I like it. I just don't like the container. I would never buy this container because of this. So there's that. I have no idea how much this is. I guess this is called a deluxe size because, well, if this is a deluxe size, if this is a small, what would be considered Peach Mega Moisture Lip Balm in clear? This has got to be the normal size because I can't imagine what a large would be like. So, okay, that's the first thing that you get. Then the next thing that you get is you get this Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer Conditioning Lip Treatment. So here you go, Jouer Cosmetics right here. This has got to be a small. So let's clean off my lips. This rug is still a little bit wet. I don't know what you do with this. Oh, it's nice. Oh, I really like that. It's kind of like a lip oil. It's a lip thing. Essential Lip Enhancer Conditioning Lip Treatment. It would make you think that like it was a lip plumper, right? But it's not. By the way, my favorite lip plumper is, why can't I think of what it's called? It looks like Soap and Glory, but it's not Soap and Glory. I can't think of what it's called, but that's my favorite of life. You can get it at Target, it's real cheap, like $9.99. Okay, let's try the next thing. Well, I'm not gonna try it, but the next thing is the Tarte Sequential Lip Rescue in Rose. Here it is, it's full size. This retails for $19 on the Sephora website. I looked. Here you go. Should we put it on? It's a little thing. Hi. Is that even like coming up as color? It doesn't even look like any color on my... That doesn't look like any color on my lips, does it? Oh, it sure is though. Let's swatch her. That is so weird that it doesn't come up showing anything on camera on my lips. It's really smooth though. It's really nice. I mean, I don't wear color, but it's really, really... Oh, that was weird. When it came off the washcloth, there's... Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, you couldn't even like see a mark of it. But, why does this container remind me? Do you guys see it? It's kind of like golden blue. Not that you really care, but I kind of am like a freak about containers. It kind of reminds me of like grandma or a little something. I don't know why, but it does. Let me use my Bliss Five Below. I got them at the Five Below. That's why they're already half dried up. I think this is nice that you get this in here. It's $19. Well, let me show you, okay? Real quick. So this is $19 and the Pat McGrath is $38. It retails for online, which I definitely will be using this. And so the two of them together come to $57. So before you even get anything else, I mean, you get these two for $57, right? But I think it's $40 for the lip thing. Or maybe $29. It was $29 or $40. It came to like $69. Family friendly. I'm telling y'all, I've had it. But it comes to like $40 or $29 or whatever. Anyway, I will put it in the comment section, or the comment section. I will put it in the description how much this retails for. So you can just look below right now and see. But anyway, I mean, it's totally worth it then, right? And then you get these three other little samples. Well, this is full-sized, the Too Faced Cosmetics one. And then you get these two little samples to try. I think it's a really, really good deal. Okay, so let's try, and I didn't look up, I tried to see how much this would be. This alone, a large size of this is $26, so I guess $13 for half of that would make that $70. I mean, then you're really adding up some money here. You're getting a good deal. So anyway, okay, then the next thing that you get is, or the last thing that you get, I guess, is the sugar. Sugar, honey, honey. We have not even used the Pat McGrath yet. Okay. Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment and Clear. So here it is right here, and it's just a lip balm. And I really like their lip balms. I can't remember the one that was my favorite. I think it was brown sugar. This one is really nice. What's the flavor of this? Oh, it smells fantastic. Look at this little itty bitty lip balm. I'm kind of in love with this. How cute is that? It seems really breakable though. Holy, look how much you get. Oh my Lord, family friendly. But no, like seriously, like look at that. Like that is a deal right there. Let's open the Pat McGrath and see. Well, hold on a second. Let's open the Pat McGrath and see what you get with that. I mean, it's not like you get a whole lot more in this little itty bitty. I'm real impressed with this Sephora Favorites. I think this is a really good deal. Okay, now let's try the Pat McGrath one. Can I just tell you what I love about this Pat McGrath? First of all, I had a black container before that I liked better. But do you guys see the gold lips on it? Can I just tell you what a conversation stopper that is when you're out to dinner with your good Judies, okay, and you pull this out and you go, hold on a second, please. If we're gonna have a discussion about him, I guess I'm gonna need to put on my lip gloss because I might have some opinions. I love Pat McGrath stuff, period. I just love all of it. So anyway, that's a really good deal, you guys, for whatever I paid. I mean, I didn't pay over 40. It was no more than 40. And if it was, well then I'll know. I'll put it in the comment section below. But I think it's a really, really good deal. Look at all that stuff you guys get. Oh, I think that's ow! Damn it, Janet. I hit my hand. There's always complications to making videos. What if I was one of those YouTubers that edited all of that out? God, what a boring life that would be. Hold on a second, since I'm talking about Sephora, let me spray on some of my... Since I already have 5,000 candles burning downstairs. This is the replica by the fireplace, and it smells so good. And in fact, when I was in Sephora the other day, Evan said to me, my little personal shopper friend in there, "Hey Evan, how are you?" Evan said, "You smell like a fireplace." I was like, well, I do have replica by the fireplace on. So anyway, I will tell you that the other one, the sample that I got, hold on a second, which is replica Springtime in a Park, my husband said hard pass. He hated it. He said it, speaking of grandmas, he was like, "It smells like my grandma." And I was like, well, he said, "It smells like somebody's grandma." And I was like, well, that's not very nice. So anyway, he goes, "Well, do you want to smell like a grandma?" He goes, "You're not a grandma." He goes, "If a grandma would wear it, it would be perfectly fine." He was like, "But you're not a grandma." I said, "No, I'm not a grandma." And I guess it's not sexy to smell like your grandma, okay? I love you, grandma. Oh, it's out of focus. My grandma that went to prison, you know the one, okay? My cousin Caroline's grandma too. I ain't owning that all on my own, okay? I love my grandma. I love you, grandma, okay? But listen, I'm not owning it all on my own. My cousin Caroline, she needs to own a little bit of it too. So anyway, I love you, Caroline. She don't watch these videos no more. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.